to this Gold Garcia YouTube channel. Handa na ba kayo for the year 2025? This is the year of the wood and the snake. So, the year 2025 brings in a lot of opportunities for growth, progress, and development. So, naniniwala ba kayo sa lucky colors for the year? Our lucky colors for the year is Mocha Mousse, a combination of chocolate and coffee. The official color, which is Pantone 17 1230. So in this Gold Garcia YouTube channel, I announce your lucky colors according to your zodiac sign. Please watch it. Please like and subscribe. Happy year 2025 to you. Good health, luck, prosperity, and financial security. I love you.